There's an exhibition of old photographs at River City Bangkok. Unusual, but definitely interesting if you like history or photography. All items on view belong to two of Thailand's leading antiques collectors who have been kind enough to display them publicly for the enjoyment of others. As is almost always the case at River City, entrance to the exhibition is free of charge. This is the first time for several decades that there has been an exhibition of original 19th century Thai photographs. As was customary at the time, many are portraits of members of the upper classes, and King Chulalongkorn, Rama the Fifth, features strongly. Others, though, depict less well-off members of society and various views of Thailand, which give an insight into what the country was like all those years ago. The exhibition runs until the 20th of December. For more information about this and other exhibitions taking place simultaneously, visit River City's own website.